Here I have VIVO Xshot, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose here power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up, and release both keys as soon as VIVO logo pops up. As you can see, the Android system recovery pops up in front of you. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down here to choose Wipe Data Factory Reset right here and press power key to confirm it. Then scroll down again to choose Yes, delete all user data and press power button to choose it. The device is formatting all personal stuff and customized settings. Let's wait until the VIVO Android system recovery pops up again, and now all you have to do is simply press power key to reboot system now, and the device is restarting and booting. Let me press power key again. If the VIVO just reboots into the recovery mode, let me just here try to press power key one more time. Alright, as you can see, the welcome panel pops up, and as you may notice, there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate and use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.